today we will be making a homemade squishy. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Things you'll need are a sponge, and if you have the sponges that have the green side, we're going to be needing scissors so you can just cut a slit side down here so you don't have it. So first, we're going to clean out our sponge because if you don't clean out your sponge, then you might get mildew in your sponge, and then you'll get like bugs in your squishy. So you don't want that. So now we're just gonna let the water sit for a little minute, and you'll need gloves. And then right after it sits and you see it like brown in the middle, that's just the water. Then just rinse it out. And when you're squeezing it out, you should take both sides, your hand like this and your hand like this, and squeeze that though. So I think everyone knows that to me. So the second thing we need is scissors. So I'm going to go get my scissors. Oh yeah, I have scissors.
Oh God. Okay, that's not you. Oh, that's just some hurtful things right there. Okay, you don't even know my family like that. Whether I have access to one person is my business, not yours. I like this haircut. This haircut works for me. Y'all jackals. Y'all savages and you're jackals. Y'all have no idea how hard it is. Y'all need to delete your account. Okay. Oh no, wait, this one's good right here. Okay. Somehow it says, how cute. He thinks he's funny. So how cute I'm funny. That's not how. Okay, I just choose the words I want to make my own reality. That doesn't work. It don't like that. It's not an exception. Okay, well look at all these things that happen during the show. Yeah, people who are successful and live their lives, and we try to live like theirs. That wasn't no show though. It was a fire show. Okay, look. It was a lot of happening. All right, okay. Yes, there was a lot of people doing their thing here.
So I have my scissors. And if you're 6 or underage, you should have, if you're working by yourself, then you should at least have safety scissors. And if you have parents, if your parents are around, then you can ask them to help you with the scissors. Like, I am 9 years old, so now you can take any type of marker you want. I would be using Sharpie, but I have no idea what my Sharpie is, so I'm just going to use a red Crayola marker. It probably looks pink on the camera, but it's actually red. And now the first thing we're going to do, so make sure that your sponge is fully out of water. And when you put your marker on for the face, then let it sit for a minute, because if you start to rub it around, then it will smudge all over the sponge. First thing we're going to do is take our scissors and just, it's kind of hard, I never actually did this before, so we're just going to, I have no idea how to do this. Cut a little bit, okay? So just, if you have a green, like a sponge with the green side on it, like mine's, then just cut it off. That's what I'm doing right now. And make sure you're cutting like a slit so you don't cut off like any of your sponge. But it's okay if you do. I'm not telling you like don't do it. I'll be back when I finish cutting this. Hello. So I have my squishy done here. It's okay if